Song number 10, The Guitar Man on page 11. In this piece, we have the quarter note, which is A, which is this string, and we have quarter note rest. During the rest, make sure that we stop the bow and remain silent. The time signature of this piece is 4/4. The top note 4 means 4 beats in 1 measure. As we reviewed in class, here's measure 1, measure 2, measure 3. So there are a total of 4 beats in 1 measure. Beat 1, beat 2, 3, 4. On beat 3 and 4, it's a rest. So we have to stop our bow and remain silent. So here we go. Let's play Guitar Man. I'm going to get ready into playing position. Violin is up. Make sure your thumb is placed in a very relaxed position between the neck of the violin where the body meets, right here. Your fingers are relaxed, just on top of, you can just hold it on top of the body of the violin. And let's get our bow hold. Our Captain Hook index is placed right here. Middle finger and fourth finger right at the frog. My pinky is curved and my thumb is like this, curved as well. All right, and make sure there is space between each of my fingers. It's sort of like you have to stretch your fingers out to look like spider legs. Here we go. So again, playing position, thumb, fingers here, and most importantly, you want to have this nice V shape on your left arm, and the bottom of your left arm is away from the side of the body. I'm going to put my bow at the frog section right here on string number A, string number A. And after I count 4, let's all start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest. Excellent. Now we're going to play this piece one more time. I'm going to now call out the bow strokes. So when you're doing a bow stroke toward the ground, that's called a down bow. And when you do a bow stroke toward the ceiling, that's called an up bow. Okay? And make sure that the bow placement is always closer to the bridge, between the fingerboard and the bridge, but never having the bow slide on top of the fingerboard. In the beginning, this is natural, but we need to make sure that we're correcting it and positioning our bows closer to the bridge, right here. Here we go again. My thumb is right here at the neck and where the neck and the body of the violin meets. Fingers resting in a relaxed position right here. I have a nice V. My bow hold is this way. Putting the frog part of the bow on A string. Here we go. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, rest, rest. Down, up, down, rest. So here I ended up at the tip. Make sure you're ending at the tip and then put your violin down. We're not ending at the frog, but we are ending at the tip. Thank you so much.